to Daddy Jack's Cooking with the Blues. Daddy Jack's Cooking with the Blues here. So we're gonna do another easy one, a pork. It's like a pork schnitzel, but we're gonna do it a buffalo chicken style. So here we got a pork. We just pounded out a pork loin. I mean, the price of pork these days, I can't believe it. Like 99 cents a pound. It's like crazy. So we're here pounded out real thin. Some egg. Shake it off real well. Like to pound it, crumbs in a little bit. Make sure it's well coated. Get a little butter. A little butter, put a little olive oil. Or whatever you want. You want to put a little bacon grease in there, you could. If you have it. Okay, we've got a nice golden on it. Just a little bit extra flavor, a little bit of Parmesan. I'm going to put some Gorgonzola. You know, buffalo wings, got a little blue cheese, with a little Gorgonzola. I'm gonna hit it with white wine. A little buffalo sauce. Frank's Red Hot. And some cream. Turn the fire up a little bit. I can put this right in the oven, or I'm going to put it right under the broiler. You have a broiler, get it nice and golden brown. Alright, a little bit of green onion. And we're good. This is really good with some serve a little side of pasta. Grab me a knife and fork. Let's give it a taste, Glenn.
You got it.
Always gotta leave enough for the cameraman though. Oh yeah, easy and very, very tasty. Go a little hotter, you can put a little jalapeno, a little extra Tabasco. That Frank's Red Hot is kind of mellow. That Gorgonzola mellows it out. There's that cheese and the breaded pork. Came out really nice. Daddy Jack's Cooking with the Blues here. Downtown, beautiful, 181 Bank Street, beautiful downtown to London. Glenn Peltier and his wife Paula with Orsini Sausage Company. Paula, they've got the best hair salon in this whole area, always voted best in the southeastern Connecticut, a cut above. Waterford, so if you're ever passing through, Want your hair done up? Got a special occasion? Look them up. I'll cut above. Look us up. I do an article on Soundwave magazine every month. A Cooking with the Blues article about food and music. swaves.com. What else, Glenn?
Come on
Where else
down.
can you find us? On Instagram now. We're doing a little bit of Instagram. And that's about it. Love y'all. Thank you for watching.